How to share screen with audio on Discord. Open a browser and search for Discord. Right here, tap on the first suggestion shown and make sure to log into your Discord account. Once you are logged in, go ahead and select a server. First and foremost, make sure that you are in your voice channel. Tap on any of the voice channels, then try to share your screen by tapping on the share screen icon. If the audio is not being shared, go ahead and follow these steps. Tap on the setting gear option. Then from this list, scroll down these options. Then tap on the option of streamer mode first. So right here, make sure to enable your streamer mode option and make sure all of the following options are also toggled on. Now once you have made sure of it, again in your left hand side, tap on the option of voice and video. Now right here, make sure that the input voice is voice activity and not push to talk. You can also increase the input sensitivity by sliding this up and down. Once you have done this, scroll down to check for more options. If you are confused regarding the options, at the very bottom, you will find the option of Reset Voice Settings. So we will go ahead and reset our voice setting as well, so that it can debug any issue or mal setting. Once we have reset, now your Discord application or the account will be refreshed as well. Now once it is refreshed, again select a server, then try to share your screen. And once you try to share your screen, the audio must be shared as well. So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching.